Hey, this is Dr. Ty from Premier Orthodontics, and in this video we're going to be answering a question from our YouTube audience. This question comes from Shivalenka Shivani, and she asked, my ceramic bracket hook broke. Will I need to replace it? How much will this delay my treatment? So this is referring to on braces we often will have little hooks. These are usually used to attach rubber bands. So time to time these things can break, and if it is broken, if you're not needing to attach a rubber band at this moment, it's not a big deal. If it is a bracket that you need to hook a rubber band to, I would simply call your orthodontist to get in and have that bracket replaced. It takes about 10 minutes. It's really quick and easy and shouldn't be too big a deal. If you're not able to get into your orthodontist right away, I would just go at your next regular visit, let them know that that hook broke, they can get that replaced. And worst case scenario, you're probably a couple weeks without having rubber bands, which again isn't ideal, but no, not the end of the world. Worst case scenario, it might delay your treatment by a couple weeks. So again, not too big a deal. Give your orthodontist a call. You can probably get that bracket replaced right away. And if not, get it replaced at your next appointment, and that shouldn't delay you too much. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, give the video a like, subscribe for more braces related content, and we'll talk to you soon.